Couldn't find my good camera. It's lost somewhere in the house. So I'm using my phone and I'm almost out of battery. So it's going to be short and sweet. As you can see, this is a CR198D chassis. This is a Magnavox. Here's the front. It's missing the FM, but everything else looks fairly good. I need to learn how to polish that up. See some dirt daubers. Took out the phono, still have the phono. Here's the phono to that Magnavox. As you can see, I'm missing a C washer right there. And it looks like I'm going to have to replace these rubber washers. This rubber wheel seems to be in fairly good shape. And felt on the wheel there is still fairly good. So I saw that it still had the needle. Take a look underneath. As you can see, the motor's hanging from not having that lock washer. But looks like everything else is fairly good shape. It's missing a C lock washer. So it wasn't holding the motor in right. Let's see. Won't focus in. There it goes. It's all about the loop antenna and stuff. Magnavox. There's another little symbol or something. There's something way back there. I think that's the tube chart. Oh, here it is. Damn, right in front of my face. Okay. It says 134B. Anyway, fix and pull out the chassis. There's two screws. Damn low power. Okay, there's two screws. One there. And then there's two more under here. And it takes a 17/16 wrench. So, fix and pull it out. Update. The two bolts in the back seem to be free spinning, so that ain't good. As you can see, the 6L6s are missing, but they're not. I have them. I just pulled them out so they wouldn't get blown up in transport. Okay, just wanted to update you.